Hey! Today I'm reviewing the HCalory diesel heater. I'm very excited about this product. I've installed it right under my dinette. I'll probably be sitting on this side and the diesel heater will stay on this side. I tried to put it under my sink. There's too many PVC water heater pipes. It became really complicated, so I've decided to install it right here under my dinette. It has a toolbox design, so everything is inside. I installed a exhaust. It's exhausting outside, intake on the other side, and then it's coming out. This is the air vent. The reason you might want a diesel heater over a propane heater, my camper already has a propane heater, but the fan uses a lot of energy, whereas the diesel heater, it uses very low energy to run. Oh, this is getting warm. Super affordable. It's 130 bucks right now on Amazon for this Toolbox diesel heater. There's no ticking noise when you turn it on. It's super quiet, uses very minimal power. The heating system delivers 28 greater fuel efficiency through its heavy duty aluminum body and advanced combustion algorithm. You get powerful, consistent heat while using significantly less diesel. Perfect for reducing the cost on long trips or daily use in your van, RV, cabin. This thing auto adjusts to elevation up to 18,000 feet. I like that it has an app. You can adjust the settings and create schedules and monitor the performance all on your phone. That's so nice. So I can just lay in bed and run this thing. I like that I could just plug it in and I didn't have to technically install it to my power bank. Installing this thing took about 30 minutes, but there were some things I had to think about ahead of time in regards to wrapping the exhaust pipe that gets really hot, drilling a hole into my camper for the exhaust and putting an exhaust pipe. I'll share the links of the products I used for it. It has little feet on it, so it's propped up so it's not gonna melt anything. I've plugged this diesel heater in. I'm gonna check. It says it's got 13 volts of power, so you can choose how hot you want it. I did not install this. I just plugged it into an extension cord for the install. I drilled a hole for the exhaust and I got an exhaust pipe fitting for the outside. You'll see links below for any extra products that I've used. The hose clamps were okay to connect all the pieces, but I'd recommend ordering a high quality one online because they didn't really like to stay tight. And attach the muffler. It was a simple install once I picked the spot under my dinette. I also added an elbow part that is linked below to my exhaust, and I ordered some heat protection wrap. Wear gloves when using it because the fiberglass will poke you and you are gonna want some heat protection wrap because it gets crazy hot. Then I added a hose clamp to the vent hose where the heat comes out, and then lastly add your diesel by opening the toolbox and plug it in. Two liters. Wait, yeah. Hold the power down for 3 seconds and the LED screen will turn on. I like using the app that connects the Bluetooth control heater rather than just using this LED screen. I've got my pillows on my bed right now because I have had a rat, so I put out like mouse traps with bait. I put out poison. I've had a rat for like 7 weeks now, and I clean up and then I end up seeing more mouse poop, and so I'm just trying to, I did another deep clean yesterday and then I haven't seen any poop today, so I'm doing good. I'm gonna end this video here. I just wanted to say I would be very mindful of where you install this because the first place under my sink had all of these PVC pipes, and I was like, I really don't want this to melt my water pipes and have a bigger problem. So just have a big open space to install this and you'll be golden. I'm very, very excited about this product. So this camper has all the little upgrades now. It's got a minimal usage, power usage heater. It's got a 12-volt air condition in here that's running off my battery bank, and I think all I need is just a couple more solar panels and I'm good. Thanks for watching. The next video will be an update video on where I've been at the last couple months, and I've got just a few more product reviews that I want to get out, and after that we'll see you guys next time. Bye.